So now presidential suite. So historic presidential suite. Heritage. Same size like 200 meters.
Yes, so also 200 square meters, like the Villa Presidential Suite. Now, this presidential suite doesn't look like the other two presidential suites here in the hotel. The layout is the same, however, the color palette, the decor is different. This one, because we are in the garden and the garden is our palette, we wanted the suite to be very low tone so that the garden can be alive more.
This like modern colonial style.
Yes.
So this house is British stay 100 years back or 200 years back.
Say again?
This house British lived before, right?
Before. Sitting outside.
Outside, we can go from there, right?
Let's go
Okay, no,
to
after
the
that.
side. I'll
Yeah,
show
so
you.
this.
So what is the difference? I see you've got the word luxury on your card, but then we also have you under YYZ. What is the difference between the two?
It's just a Canadian company.
YY.
One of 7.
So one of?
No, I tell you, we have 7 companies.
Yes, okay,
This
one
one
of
of
seven.
them, it's Canadian.
Canada.
Yeah.
Okay, so YYZ is the Canadian one.
Yes,
Uh-huh.
yes.
Okay. And how much of your business comes to Africa?
Just 1 second. Just give me 2 minutes.
No problem. Go ahead. Go ahead.
So this is park view,
Okay, so this is the garden view.
garden view. Oh, huge garden.
Very big. So the hotel, the property is 10 acres. So it's quite a big property.
And fully security.
Yes, full city. You saw the gates outside, security outside, everywhere. We have CCTV cameras.
What is this?
They get
Rock.
yeah.
Saxon rock.
There's trees growing on it as well.